Okay, how to solve this one? Now here you can see these algebraic terms are in denominators, right? Even here you can follow the same method which we use in previous video regarding algebraic fraction. Anyway, now here by the LCM of these all denominators, this one and this one, this one, by the LCM of these three terms, this one 2x minus 3 and x, if you find the LCM of these three, by the LCM multiply this all, right, all the numerators. So I will show you here. You should multiply what the LCM of this all three, it will be what the 2x minus 3 and into x. I will not discuss here how to find the LCM of these three, but that's the method. Here 2x minus 3 into x. Okay, here also into, and here this numerator also multiplied by 2x minus 3 into x, like this. Then 2x minus 3 to 2x minus 3 cut, right? Then here 5 into x you can think as 5x, right? And then here x with x you can cut. Then here 2 into 2x minus 3. Here very carefully think this minus sign belong to 2, like that. This minus 2, right? Minus 2 into 2x, it will be minus 4x, right? Minus 2 into minus 3, it will be plus 6, right? That's the answer for here. Then here what will happen? This x with this x cut. Then by 8 you need to multiply again this 2. So 8 into 2x, it will be 16x. 8 into minus 3, it will be minus 24. Okay, now what I will do, I will bring this 5x and minus 4x to this side, this minus 24 to this side. Basically I will put this algebraic term to this side and numbers to this side. So here will be plus 6 plus this minus 24. When I bring to here, it will be plus 24. And here 16x. Here 5x minus 4x mean 1x, no? Plus 1x, no? Plus 1x, when I bring to here, it will be minus 6. Okay, here 30 and here 15x. 16x minus x means 15x. Then if you divide both sides by 15, you will have answer x equal 2.